how to reset your settings on Android. So if you want to reset all your settings on Android without losing any of your data, then this video is actually for you. So looking right here is the home page of my phone like this. So in order for you to actually reset all your settings without losing your personal data, you just need to go ahead and click on the setting on your device. Go to your settings like this. Let me simply go to the main page of my setting. So looking right here is my setting. At the top of the screen, you can see the search button. So if you click on the search button like this and search for reset like this, you're going to see reset all settings. So clicking on that like this actually is a Samsung device, so you just need to locate for where you can actually see yours. So looking right here, you can see reset all settings. So looking here, clicking on reset all settings like this, you can see where it says reset settings right here. So clicking on that, you need to input your pin. Now meanwhile, going back right here, you can see what it says here. This resets all your settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, account, personal data, and settings for downloaded app. So you just need to go ahead and click on reset settings like this and then go ahead and input your code. So once this is done, looking here, you can see all settings will be resetted to their defaults and can't be recovered. To apply the new settings, your phone will reset. So you just need to go ahead and click on reset. Once you do that, it is actually going to reset your settings, and also your phone is actually going to restart as well. So it's going to actually turn off your phone and repower your phone back, and then all your settings are going to be reset. So this is how simple it is for you to reset all settings on your Android. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now do what to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.